Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about one of the most underrated heroes of our toolbox, the screwdriver. Whether you're building a shelf, fixing a laptop, or hanging a picture, a good screwdriver can make or break your project. So let's get into it. Precision screwdriver. This little guy is perfect for working on small, delicate projects like electronics, watches, glasses, and even small household repairs. If you've ever had to open up a remote control or tighten a tiny screw, you know how frustrating it can be without the right tool. A precision screwdriver set with interchangeable bits is a lifesaver. Ratcheting screwdriver. If you've ever had to screw and unscrew repeatedly, you know how tiring that can be. A ratcheting screwdriver helps by allowing you to turn the screw without lifting or repositioning your grip every time. It speeds up the process and reduces wrist strain, making it ideal for furniture assembly, automotive work, and general repairs. If you don't have one yet, trust me, it's a game changer. Electric screwdriver. This bad boy is perfect for heavy-duty jobs or when you are just tired of manual labor. This compact, rechargeable tool is perfect for quick and effortless driving. Whether you are putting together furniture, working on a home project, or tackling larger DIY builds, an electric screwdriver saves you time and effort. It's lightweight, easy to use, and powerful enough for most household tasks. If you want to work smarter, not harder, this is the way to go. So there you have it, 3 essential screwdrivers that every DIY should own. A precision screwdriver for delicate tasks, a ratcheting screwdriver for efficiency, and an electric screwdriver for convenience. Investing in the right tool makes your project easier, faster, and way more enjoyable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on more DIY tips and tools review. Also, let me know in the comment section below what is your go-to screwdriver for DIY projects. I would love to hear from you. Thank you guys for watching and catch you in the next one.